Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another vlog. Today we are playing a travel series Stepford County Railway game, and this travel series will be from Coxly Depot to Stepford Airport Central. That's the cab, and I'll just quickly put us back into the vestibule area of the train, because it's a pretty cool interior. Give me a sec, guys. Just gonna realign. Sweet. Next up, Coxly. Let's go.
This train is now approaching Coxly.
Service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway, and Stepford Airport Central. This train has 5 coaches.
We just arrived into Coxly. The next stop will be Benton. Here's a quick look at the timetable. 6:12 Benton, 6:14 Benton Bridge, 6:15 Airport Parkway, and 6:16 is the terminal of this train, Airport Central. The doors are now closing, and we're off.
Platform 2 for the 0608 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central.
That's where we're going to.
Stepford Airport Central. The next station is Benton.
May not be the best content, like there's like a glare here and there, but if I can get like a screen recording type thing, I'll do that for the next Stepford County Railway travel series, something like that.
This train is now approaching Benton.
Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway, and Stepford Airport Central. This train has 5 coaches.
This is Benton.
Arrived at Benton Platform 4A. The next stop will be Benton Bridge. We're off.
This is a Connect train to Stepford Airport Central.
So, if you guys would like to request a travel series that I can do in Stepford County, the routes I can do are, will be shown in the next vlog. Because I know them, but I can't remember all of them off by heart. Actually, guys, I'll take you guys for a return trip up to Stepford, Victoria. No, Stepford Central, I think.
Benton Bridge.
Glitch. That's totally a glitch. Oh, look, there's a Class 185 train just over the other side.
This train has 5 coaches. Platform 2 for the 06.
This is
14
Benton
Stepford Connect
Bridge.
service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Benton, Coxly, Bowden, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East.
I think it's Stepford Central that we terminate at.
City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train has 3 coaches.
And off we go. Next stop, Airport Parkway, and then Airport Central.
This is is a connect train to
and then I'll take you guys
Stepford
for a
Airport
trip back up
Central.
to Stepford Central.
The next station is Stepford Airport Parkway. This train is now approaching Stepford Airport Parkway.
Calling at Stepford Airport Central only. This train has 5 coaches.
Airport Parkway.
Stepford Airport Parkway.
Yeah, I'll take you guys for a trip back up to Stepford Central.
This is a connect train to Stepford Airport Central. The next station is Stepford Airport Central. This train is now approaching Stepford Airport Central. This train terminates here. All change, please.
Slowly arriving to Stepford Airport Central. Actually, guys, then the return trip to Stepford Central will be at the next vlog, and the routes that you guys can request will be in the following vlog. Slowly arriving. Oh, God, we're about to hit the buffers. Okay, slow down. Alright, we arrived at Airport Central, and I'll see you guys on the return trip. Back up.
Train terminates here. All change, please.
I'll see you guys on the return trip.